Hello, I'm Dr. Salos. Should we pick the two most terrifying diseases from among the numerous that exist in the world? I believe many people will pick cancer or dementia. However, dementia and cancer are diametrically opposed in terms of speed. While dementia patients' brain cells divide slowly, cancer cells divide much faster. In terms of speed moderation, the left extreme is dementia, while the right extreme is cancer. Cancer is more likely to occur if the cells in the body move too quickly, and dementia is more likely if the nerve cells move too slowly. What's interesting is that cancer sufferers rarely get dementia. In contrast, dementia patients are less likely to acquire cancer. Is it correct that the atomic bomb was detonated on Japan during World War II? There must be many cancer patients, right? However, cancer incidence was 70% lower in Alzheimer's disease individuals. According to researchers, the occurrence of cancer and dementia is inversely correlated. Aside from dementia, there is a neurodegenerative condition that causes the body to slow down excessively. It is Parkinson's disease. Like dementia, this condition has an inverse relationship with cancer. People with Parkinson's disease are also less likely to get cancer. So, why do dementia and cancer have an inverse correlation? Some biochemical components in the body appear to be completely opposed in cancer and dementia. First, P53. It is a typical chemical that suppresses cancer cells. This is because it applies the brakes to prevent cells from dividing too rapidly. As a result, when P53 activity deteriorates, mitotic division starts prematurely and cells that should perish do not. Cells behave like wild fowls, allowing cancer to develop quickly. However, with dementia, this chemical becomes hyperactive. This involves slowing down the pace of nerve cells for an extended period of time. Second, cyclin F is a molecular substance that controls the cell cycle. Cancer is characterized by a reduction in cyclin F activity. As a result, the cell cycle is disrupted and too accelerated. In dementia, mutations in cyclin F cause the cycle to run excessively slowly. Third, there is a protein named PIN1. If activity levels rise too quickly, the cell cycle will accelerate. This protein's activity is particularly high in lung, liver, colon, and breast cancers. In contrast, in dementia, activity declines, causing brain cells to act more slowly. Inhibiting PIN1 can prevent cancer cells from growing. Oh my, is there a dawn for cancer treatment? You can say this, right? However, in such instances, the chance of dementia rises. If you travel from moderate speed to severe slowness in order to cure cancer, dementia awaits you. So far, we've looked at substances that work in opposite directions against cancer and dementia. However, certain molecular components control one another in the same direction. There are three. Cyclins D and E are the first two. These two chemicals are elevated in both cancer and dementia. The third substance is protein phosphatase 2A. I will call it PP2A for short. This PP2A is reduced in both cancer and dementia. So, in what circumstances do cyclins D and E grow while PP2A decrease? Here are four examples. This happens when metabolic equilibrium is disrupted. Chronic inflammation develops, immunity deteriorates, and genes are damaged. In other words, if you can avoid these four cases related to body speed, you can simultaneously prevent two terrifying chronic diseases, cancer and dementia. As a result, avoiding diseases with four mechanisms is a means to eliminate both cancer and dementia. What diseases increase both cancer and dementia? First, diabetes. Diabetes alters the body's metabolism and promotes chronic inflammation. Cancer and dementia are both becoming more prevalent. Diabetes is defined by increased insulin resistance, which causes the blood to become insulin rich. By the way, insulin itself is a mitogen. As a result, stepping on the accelerator too hard can lead to cancer. Obesity comes second. Obesity is thought to be responsible for 12% of cancers. It is specifically identified as a cause of pancreatic, liver, colon, esophageal, and breast cancer. In addition, obese patients exhibit increased secretion of the hormone leptin. This chemical has a substantial correlation with the development of dementia. So, if you only control obesity and diabetes, you will dramatically reduce your chances of cancer and dementia. Obesity and diabetes can be managed using the following strategies. First, avoid late night munching and adhere to a time restricted diet. It means fasting for 12 to 15 hours per night. Second, consume whole grains. Examples include oats, barley, and whole wheat. Third, consume fruits and vegetables. Eat roughly 200 grams of fruit every day and as many veggies as possible. Additionally, consume plenty of cruciferous veggies. Cabbage, broccoli, kale, and cauliflower are excellent examples. Fourth, regular exercise is essential. Get 10,000 steps a day and mix aerobic exercise with strength training. Fifth, go to bed early and get 8 hours of deep sleep. By controlling both obesity and diabetes, it will also prevent dementia and cancer. Let me summarize now. When our body's speed becomes unbalanced, the right extreme, which is too rapid, causes cancer, while the left extreme, which is too sluggish, creates dementia. To combat cancer and dementia at the same time, control your blood sugar and weight. If you subscribe and like, good luck will come your way. What is the most essential thing in life? Yes, it is health. See you next time. Hello.